Hello, this is Simon Klein from TradeSmart on the 24th of February 2019. Welcome to this week's episode of Where is the Dollar Going Next? And what you see before you is the dollar index on the daily chart wound back to the end of the previous week. We said last week that if the dollar was able to go below and close below this demand zone below, it's likely to continue moving to the downside. So let's take a look at how the market played out last week. Monday was a bank holiday, so on Tuesday the market moved to the downside and closed below this demand zone, making the odds greater on a continuation of the move to the downside. On Wednesday, the market pushed back up to the now supply zone and then sold off again. On Thursday, the market pushed up into the supply zone, and on Friday the market moved above the supply zone and then came back down, closing below it, changing the price direction to the downside. So the question is this: what are the odds of where the dollar is likely to go next this week? It's very similar to what we said last week. As we're now below this supply zone, which was once demand, it's most likely the dollar will continue moving to this demand zone below. If on the other hand the market was able to go above and close above the high of this bar over here, then it's likely the dollar will continue moving to the upside. So let's take a look at the larger time frames. If we look at the weekly chart, you can see that we've put in a higher high, so this pullback, albeit we're moving down for the time being, is likely to be bought and potentially put in a higher low, and we're going to know that in the next couple of weeks. And if we take a look at the monthly chart, you can see we're currently moving up from this demand zone, and if at the end of this week and the end of the month we change the price direction to the upside, the odds are greater that the dollar will continue moving up to this 100 area, as we've said in previous weeks. If on the other hand the market doesn't do that and we continue to move to the downside, and we're able to go below and close below this pivot low over here, then it's most likely the dollar will continue moving to the downside. So these are the odds of where the dollar is likely to go next this week. Most traders do this. 100% of their time is spent trading. They don't do any preparation and no follow-up and review. And what does that result in? Fear, hopium, when you're hoping the trade's going to work, frustration, and ultimately failure. But what do pro traders do? They usually spend a third of their time actually trading, a third of their time preparing to trade, and a third of their time following up and reviewing their trades. And this results in confidence, consistency, and a high probability of success. Remember, preparation equals confidence. If you'd like to follow along with me each week as I prepare to trade the markets, then join my weekly preparation session. I'll leave a link below this video, whether you're watching it on my YouTube channel or my blog, where you can sign up for this session. Use it to help you prepare for the upcoming week. That's all for now. This is Simon Klein from TradeSmart. If you like this video, hit the like button below, share it with your friends, and be sure to subscribe at the end. Wishing you all the best of luck with your trading this week.